Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to set up UMA. Setting up UMA VoIP is simple and allows you to enjoy crystal clear calls using your internet connection. Before we start, ensure you have a high-speed internet connection, a working router or modem, a standard phone, and an UMA device. Now to register and activate your UMA device, visit the UMA activation page. Create an account and log in. Enter the activation code found on your UMA device. It is usually on the bottom or back. Now choose your new phone number or opt to port an existing number. Complete the registration by providing your billing and personal details. Third step is physical setup for homeowners or home users. Option 1 is wired setup. Connect to the internet. Use the Ethernet cable provided to connect the internet port on the UMA Telo to your router. Plug your phone into the phone port on the UMA Telo using a standard phone cable. Now power it up. Plug the UMA Telo into a power outlet using the adapter. Wait for the device to boot up. Next is to physical setup for business users. Connect the base station. Plug the UMA office base station into your router using the provided Ethernet cable. Now add phone. Connect analog phones to the base station's phone ports. For IP phones, follow the manufacturer's instructions and ensure they are connected on the same internet or network. Now power it on. Plug the base station into a power source and wait for it to boot up. Now configure your UMA settings. Set up voicemail. Dial your UMA phone number. Follow the prompts to create a voicemail. Pin and record your greeting. Customize call features. Log into your account at UMA My Account. Configure settings like call forwarding, call blocking, and voicemail to email. Test calls. Make a test call to ensure the setup works correctly. Now on using UMA apps, download the UMA app, log in, and manage your service. For the advanced features, number porting. If you're keeping your existing phone number, initiate the porting process through the UMA dashboard. Porting can take 1 to 4 weeks. Now additional devices, add UMA links adapters for wireless phone extensions. Use UMA HD3 handsets for advanced features. Now for troubleshooting common issues. For no dial tone, check all cable connections. Reboot your modem, router, and UMA device. Drop calls or poor quality. Ensure your internet speed is sufficient. Minimum is 256 kbps per call. Device not booting. Look at the UMA device's indicator light. If it's blue, it is ready. But if it's red, connection issue, or it has a connection issue. Lastly is to test your setup. Make a few test calls to ensure you can make and receive calls. Confirm the voicemail is set up and working. Test additional features like call forwarding or the UMA app. And that's basically it.